Hello everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move videos from Dropbox to the Photos app on your iPhone. Whether you want to save videos for offline access or just keep them organized in your Photos app, I'll guide you through several methods to get this done. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the most straightforward method, which is using the Dropbox app. If you don't already have it, download and install the Dropbox app from the App Store for a better user experience. Once installed, open the Dropbox app and locate the video you want to download. Tap on the three dots next to the file, and you'll see an option to save the file. Choose to save it either to the Files app or directly to your Photos app by selecting Save Photo or Save Video. This will make the video show up in your iPhone gallery. Another way to download videos is by using Safari. Open Safari and navigate to the Dropbox website. Log into your account and find the video you want to save. Tap on the three dots next to the video and select the option to download. You can save the file to the Files app or directly to the Photos app, just like in the Dropbox app. This method works well for both videos and photos. Now, if you prefer using drag and drop, here's how you can do it. Open the Dropbox app and find the video you want to move. Hold down on the file until it lifts up, then drag it. Simultaneously, open the Files app and navigate to the folder where you want to save the video. Drop the file into the desired folder and it will be saved there. You can then move it to the Photos app if needed. Another handy method is to use the Files app directly. To do this, you'll need to enable Dropbox within the Files app. Open the Files app, go to Locations, and tap on the three dots to add Dropbox. Once enabled, you can access and manage your Dropbox files directly through the Files app. This allows you to drag and drop videos from Dropbox to the Photos app or simply copy and paste them. These methods provide flexible options for moving videos from Dropbox to the Photos app on your iPhone. Whether you prefer using the Dropbox app, Safari, drag and drop, or the Files app, you'll find a method that works best for you. And that's how you move videos from Dropbox to the Photos app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching. Peace.